So today we are going to talk about this amazing AI video maker tool that can make your life a lot easier. The thing I really like about HeyGen is that you can create videos very quickly by simply telling it what type of video you want, and HeyGen will create one for you. In the avatar shorts section, you can create presenter style videos, longer videos, or even cinematic AI videos. One thing I really like about this tool is that you can create different avatars, and you can even create your own avatar. You can choose from many voiceovers of your videos, and you can also clone your own voice. For video creation, you can check out the AI Studio section where most of the powerful features are available. Now let's go to the avatar section. Here you can create your own avatar, and as you can see, there are a lot of different avatars available for different types of content. Whether you are promoting a product, creating educational content, or making social media videos, you can also upload your own photo and turn it to an avatar. In the Design AI avatar section, you can simply describe what type of avatar you want, and HeyGen will generate it for you. You can see there are tons of different avatar styles available, which gives you a lot of creative freedom. So I'm going to create an avatar using a single photo. First we upload our picture and click create. Once your avatar is ready, click on video. Here you can see multiple options such as build scene by scene or build from a script. I personally like the scene by scene option because it allows you to create cinematic style videos while having more control over each scene. You can either add your own script or use a prompt to generate a video. In this case, we are going to use the prompt option. Here, you can write your own script in your own words, but if you don't want to write everything yourself, you can use ChatGPT to generate a script and then use it inside HeyGen. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to choose a voice for my video. If I click on voiceover, you will see three main options: clone your voice, designer voice, and import MP3. If you choose clone your voice, you will need to record a short audio sample. So HeyGen can learn your voice and create a voice clone that you can use in future videos. The second option is designer voice. This is one of the most interesting features. You can describe exactly what type of voice you want, such as teacher, student, young girl, storyteller, and gamer. Or you can also specify the tone, speaking pace, and style based on your description. HeyGen creates a custom AI voice that matches your requirements. The third option is import MP3. Here you can upload your own voice recording and use it directly in your video. I'm going to use the script I create with ChatGPT. Once everything is ready, I simply click. Video generation usually takes around a few minutes. If you want to check the progress, click on the projects icon where all your generated videos are stored. Now let's open the video and see how it looks. As you can see, HeyGen created an amazing avatar that looks professional and can be used for both short form and long form content. By the way, in the quick create section, you can generate videos even faster. Now let's move to another feature. Here you can see options like video translation, audio translation, pronunciation rules, and more. These features can be extremely useful if you want to reach audience in different languages without creating the same video multiple times. There are still more features available inside the platform, and the more you explore, the more useful tools you will discover. Overall, I feel that HeyGen is an incredible AI tool for creating realistic avatars, cinematic videos, presenter-style content, marketing videos, and social media content. You can use it for building your own AI influencer, promoting your business, advertising products, creating educational content, or making content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms. What surprised me the most is how easy everything is. The platform is not messy or complicated. You don't need hours to learn it. Most features are easy to understand even if you are completely new to AI video creation. The thing that shocked me the most is that you can create an avatar of yourself and even clone your own voice inside a single platform. Having both features in one tool makes HeyGen stand out from many other AI video generators. Of course, HeyGen also offers paid plans if you're serious about content creation, running a business, creating marketing videos, or building a personal brand in 2026. Then upgrading to a paid plan can be worth considering. Personally, I would recommend this tool to students, content creators, beginners, marketers, and anyone interested in AI video generation. If you are planning to create content in 2026, want a simple yet powerful AI tool, then HeyGen is definitely worth checking out.